Wow. Wow. Woohoo, this is the man. Subiri tutembee. I wish someday to buy anything in here.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one, the 3 dog.
That's so cool.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look, Mara. It's a cat.
Hey, cat.
Look at all these pet toys.
Woo.
Cool.
Wow.
Oh wow.
That's a dog food.
Yeah, these are the treats. Like for Max. Texas sausages. Wow, look. Tilapia skins, like the fish skins for the dog.
Oh, that's cool.
Max will eat this.
Wow, this is for the cat.
Yeah, that's for the cat.
Wana hii kwa ajili ya paka. Wow, so nice. I can be a cat. Wow.
You like it?
Uh-huh. Okay, you're gonna just take me. I'm going fast.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Not like that. Yes.
Yeah, but I can only get a part of you.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
How about that?
Yeah, better.
Good.
This is my favorite. This is for the lips.
Mm.
Okay.
Wow.
The lashes.
Mm. Wow. Yeah. Wow, this is so nice.
That's for the face.
Wow. Look at this one.
The little bowl.
Mm-hmm. Like a wow. Wow.
How about this one?
Wow. Let me. It smells so. No, not really. It like doesn't have the smell. Hainuki sana. Very nice.
Look at this one. It's a different shape.
Oh wow, that's so nice. Wow. Wow, my favorite aisle. Hair care. Wow. Wow. What about hair texture? That's cool. It's DJ Joe Dab. Wow. Hizi products za nywele jamani kibao. Ila sizijui vizuri. Kwa taishia hapo. Sizijui vizuri, ingezijua vizuri, ingezi explain vizuri. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at this one. Wow, so cool. Oh, sorry.
Look at these ones.
Oh, wow, look at this one. Wow. Wow. Kama umeweka maua ndani hivi. Wow, I love the idea. Kama umeweka maua. Wow, so nice.
There's a sofa inside of it and soap inside that.
Wow. Humu ndani yake kuna sabuni, afu hapo na minya inatoka, lakini wameweka kama fuvu. Wow, so cool idea. What is this?
Can I see?
I don't know what it does. It's so beautiful for me.
Oh, that's like it's like a sugar that you can use on your body to get rid of rough skin, and you wash it off.
Kutoa rough skin bwana, kumbe hii. Lakini kama sukari fulani hivi. Wow. Wow, let me just... Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.